been seeing repeating numbers, experiencing vivid dreams, or feeling like there's something more you're meant to access, your third eye is already trying to open. Today, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step practice to activate it safely and intentionally. By the end of this session, you'll know how to access your intuitive guidance on demand. So let's begin. What you'll experience today, the third eye chakra, is your center of intuition, inner vision, and higher perception. When activated, you will experience clearer intuitive hits and gut feelings, enhanced dream recall and symbolism, the ability to sense energy in people and spaces, and direct connection to your higher guidance. This isn't about forcing anything to open. It's about removing the blocks that are keeping it closed. So let's set up your space. Before we begin, let's prepare. And you can pause this video while you're preparing. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. You can sit on the chair or on the floor, it doesn't matter. Dim the lights or close your curtains. You may also light a candle or incense to signal to your subconscious mind that this is sacred time. Silence your phone and set the intention, I am ready to activate my third eye safely and clearly. Now place one hand on your heart, doesn't matter which, one on your belly. Take 3 deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Your nervous system is now signaling safety. And this is crucial because your third eye won't open if your body feels threatened. Now, we never activate the third eye without grounding first. This is where most people make mistakes and end up feeling spacey or anxious. Now close your eyes, and you can keep them closed for the rest of this practice. And bring your awareness to the base of your spine, the root chakra. Your connection to earth. And visualize roots growing from the base of your spine, down through your seat, through the floor, deep into the earth, through the layers of soil, through bedrock, all the way to the molten core of the planet. And feel that magnetic pull. You are connected. You are safe. You are supported. And now with each inhale, draw golden earth energy up through these roots, up through the earth, into the base of your spine, filling your root chakra with warm, red, glowing light. And breathe here for 3 more cycles. Your foundation is solid. You are anchored. And now we can safely rise. Your third eye sits along your central energy channel. The sushumna. If this channel is blocked with old emotions, limiting beliefs, or energetic debris, your third eye cannot fully activate. And keeping your eyes closed, bring your awareness back to the base of your spine. And on your next inhale, imagine brilliant, beautiful white light entering the base of your spine, traveling up your spinal column, vertebrae by vertebrae, through your lower back, your mid-back, your upper back, and your neck, and then exploding into the crown of your head like a fountain. And on the exhale, that light cascades down around your body like a waterfall, clearing your aura, and returns to the earth. And let's do this together. 5 rounds. Inhale, light rises up the spine. Exhale, it cascades down, and repeat 4 more times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Energy is flowing freely. We now activate the center. Bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows, slightly above, in the center of your forehead. This is your third eye chakra. And you might feel a tingling sensation, pressure, or pulsing warmth, or nothing at all, and that's okay. Whatever you feel is perfect. And now visualize a small indigo flame, deep purple blue, flickering in the center of your forehead. And with each inhale, this flame grows brighter, stronger, more vibrant. With each exhale, it expands, filling your entire forehead, your temples, the space behind your eyes. This indigo light is your intuitive power awakening. It's always been there. You're simply remembering how to access it. Breathe into this flame for the next minute. Let it grow, let it pulse, let it activate. And now visualize that indigo flame beginning to spiral clockwise, like a galaxy spinning in your forehead, faster and faster, creating a vortex of intuitive energy. This spiral is clearing old programming, dissolving doubt, removing the veil between you and your higher perception. And as it spins, repeat silently to yourself, I see clearly. I trust my intuition. I am connected to my highest guidance. And now imagine that spiral slowing, settling, and the indigo light softening into a gentle, glowing orb. From the center of this orb, a beam of indigo light shoots forward, out through your forehead, extending infinitely into the universe. This is your third eye open. This is your connection to all that is. You are a receiver. You are a transmitter. Sit in this state. And notice what you notice. Images, colors, symbols, feelings, knowings are all valid. Your third eye is now activated, and let's use it. Ask your question silently. Ask your higher self, your spirit guides, or the universe one question. Something you genuinely need guidance on. Don't force an answer. Simply hold the question in your awareness in that indigo light and remain open. The answer might come as a visual image or a symbol, a word or phrase, a feeling or knowing, a color or sensation. Trust the first thing that comes. Your logical mind hasn't had time to interfere. And whatever you received, even if it doesn't make sense yet, thank your highest guidance and place your hand on your heart and silently say, thank you for this wisdom. I trust the unfolding. And we never leave a practice without proper closing. This seals the activation and protects your energy, sealing the third eye. Your third eye is now open. But we're going to teach it to function at a sustainable level. Imagine a beautiful indigo curtain gently drawing across your third eye. Not closing it completely. Just filtering the intensity, allowing you to access it when you choose, rather than being overwhelmed by constant psychic input. This curtain has a golden drawstring, and you can open it wider whenever you need intuitive guidance, and draw it closed when you need to be fully present in the physical world. You are in control. Your third eye serves you. You don't serve it. And now bring your awareness back to those roots extending from your base chakra into the earth. and draw earth energy back up, filling your root, your sacrum, your solar plexus, your heart, your throat, and gently, lovingly nourishing your third eye and crown. You are a bridge between heaven and earth, grounded and expanded. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, roll your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and a sigh out. And when you're ready, gently open your physical eyes. And welcome back. How do you feel? You felt a shift during this practice, even a subtle one. Leave a comment below and tell me what you experienced, activated. The question is, what will you see? I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, trust your inner vision